Namaste. Welcome to AmeyaOnline. In this video, we will be featuring beautiful fancy cotton sarees. All these cotton sarees are cotton blended fabrics. They are very stylish and beautiful. They are easy maintenance also and are very good for office as well as homeware. So what we see here is the first saree in this video. It's a beautiful striped saree. These vertical stripes all over the body of the saree in blue and multicolors. Blue is a dominant color in this saree. You can see a beautiful green dominant pallu like that. So that's the pallu for you. It's a very nice woven pallu, and it's got a green blouse with buttas on the blouse. So here we have saree number 1 priced at 2,799. To order the saree, please take a screenshot and send it to us. Please note, we don't have a COD option. You can pay us via payment apps like PhonePe, Google Pay or Paytm, and we send our couriers via India Post. And please send us a screenshot on 9845996886. Here we have the second saree in this video. You can see beautiful stripes borders on both the sides and buttas on the blue body of the saree. That's the pallu. It's a nice striped pallu like that, and it's got a beautiful striped blouse similar to the borders of the saree. So this is saree number 2 priced at 2,799. To order the saree, please take a screenshot and send it to 9845996886. You can also visit our store. We are in Sarath City Capital Mall. That's in Kondapur, Hyderabad. You may also see our other collections, plus you can also feel these fabrics of these sarees. Here we have this beautiful green color saree. It's a sea green color saree with these stripes running diagonally across the saree like that. You can also see temple borders on both the sides of the saree and a striped pallu with a striped blouse again. So the saree is priced at 2,799. To order the saree, please take a screenshot and send it to the above number. So the fourth saree in this video is extremely traditional yet very stylish. You can see these striped borders, stripes all over the body of the saree. There are no borders in the saree. You can also see small buttas in the saree like that. So that's the saree for you. It's got a very nice stylish woven pallu, actually a traditional woven pallu. You can see these beautiful motifs in the pallu like that in a green base, and then you have a floral printed green pallu like this. Saree is priced at 2,799. To order the saree, please take a screenshot and send it to us. So saree number 5, we have this beautiful magenta and pink dominant, red dominant saree. You can see here. It's a very beautiful combination of these beautiful stripes. Again, this is a borderless saree. That's the woven pallu with motifs and other beautiful things on the saree like that. Yep, so that's the pallu of the saree, and it's got a brownish color blouse with buttas with multicolor buttas on the blouse. So this is saree number 5 priced at 2,799. To order the saree, please take a screenshot and send it to the above number. Moving on to the next saree, it's the sixth saree is a beautiful green dominant saree. You can see these beautiful stripes all over the body of the saree, green and blue combination saree. So that's the saree for you. It's a beautiful cotton silk blended fabric. It's got a beautiful pink based pallu, motifs and other things on the pallu, and it's got a blue colored blouse. To order the saree, please take a screenshot and send it to the above number. Please note, the prices are inclusive of shipping. The saree is priced at 2,799. So here we have sari number 7. It's a pretty stylish and lovely sari. You can see these beautiful stripes all over the body of the sari in red and grey. So that's the sari for you. It's got a beautiful woven pallu like that. So that's the pallu for you, and it's got a simple blouse with buttas all over the blouse in a magenta reddish colored blouse, that is. So sari is priced at 2,799. To order the sari, please take a screenshot and send it to the above number. Coming to the sari number 8 is the last sari in this video. You can see these beautiful rising border kind of sari this is. So the sari, you can see these arrow kind of motifs all over the body of the sari and in a rising pattern through the pallu. So that's the sari for you. It comes with a beautiful attached blouse. To order the sari, please take a screenshot and send it to 9845996886. You may visit our store. We are in Sarath City Capital Mall, that's in Kondapur, Hyderabad. Please do visit our store. You can see many other collections of saris in our store. You can also see our collection of dresses in kalamkari and other dresses. Please note, we are also available on Instagram and Facebook. Our Insta handle is AmeyaOnline. Please subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. And thank you. Have a great day.